Good morning. Welcome to the country. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Please place your passport on the counter.
Sure.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I'm traveling by myself.
What is your nationality?
I'm Canadian.
And where do you currently live?
I live in Toronto, Ontario.
Is Toronto your permanent residence?
Yes, I've lived there for several years.
What is the purpose of your visit to our country?
I'm here on vacation.
Vacation. Very nice. How long do you plan to stay?
I'll be staying for 2 weeks.
Can you tell me the exact dates of your stay?
I arrived today and I'll be leaving on the 15th of this month.
Do you have a return or onward ticket?
Yes, I do. My return flight is on the 15th.
May I see your return ticket or booking confirmation?
Certainly. Here it is on my phone.
Thank you. Where will you be staying during your visit?
I'll be staying at the City View Hotel near downtown.
Have you already checked in or made a reservation?
Yes, I have a confirmed reservation for the entire stay.
Are you visiting friends or family while you are here?
No, I'm just sightseeing and exploring the city on my own.
What places do you plan to visit?
I plan to visit museums, historical sites, and some famous landmarks. I'd also like to try local food and take a few day trips.
That sounds enjoyable. Have you visited this country before?
No, this is my first time here.
Have you traveled internationally before?
Yes, I've traveled to a few other countries for tourism.
What do you do for a living in Canada?
I work as a graphic designer.
Are you planning to work or study while you're here?
No, not at all. This trip is strictly for tourism.
How will you support yourself financially during your stay?
I've saved enough money and I'm using my credit card and bank account.
Are you carrying cash with you today?
Yes, but less than $10,000.
Are you bringing any restricted or prohibited items into the country?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any food, plants, or agricultural products in your luggage?
No, I don't.
Have you packed your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed everything myself.
Has anyone asked you to carry items for them?
No, no one has.
Will you be traveling to other cities during your stay?
Possibly for short day trips, but I'll mostly stay in the city.
What is your flight number for your return trip?
It's listed on my booking confirmation right here.
Thank you. Please look at the camera for a photo.
Okay,
Now place your right index finger on the scanner.
done.
Everything appears to be in order.
That's good to hear.
I'm stamping your passport for a 2-week stay. Please make sure you leave the country before your authorized stay expires.
Yes, I understand.
If you need any assistance, airport staff can help you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the country. Enjoy your vacation and have a pleasant stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.